Hi guys, welcome back to LVLIMUA channel. So this is part 2 of the Raya look tutorial. So I will share on how to change the daytime look to nighttime. So keep on watching. So this is still our model from previous video. So if you guys want to see the previous daytime makeup look for Hari Raya, glowy and fresh look, you guys can click on my previous video. And this is the continuation on how to change that look into the nighttime look. So usually for nighttime, we can go with a more dramatic and darker look. So what I want to do here is to change the look from simple and fresh to a bit of a sexy and darker mood. So what will I be changing? So first, as you can see previously, I put some darker burgundy eyeshadow all over the lid, and I wanted to make the middle lid to look a little bit smoky. So I take this Bobbi Brown, I think it's Bobbi Brown, yeah, it's Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick, and I blend it throughout the lid. So I really put around the lid, and then I blend it with that that is a blending brush, yeah. so the intention is to make the eyeshadow, to make the eyes look a little bit more sexy, sexier lah. So kita just blend for the center lid to have that glow, and then for the outer corner I'll be adding more darker brown eyeshadows to make it look more in depth, to make it look more to make it look deeper lah. So around the corner or outer corner, just blend, same step, it's just different color. If in previous video I was using a lighter burgundy, now I'm using darker, and then in the middle, instead of like champagne shimmery color, I put a little bit brown. And then the outer corner brown is still the same. Yeah, since Aisha is wearing eyelashes, so to make the eyes look more dramatic, you can actually put mascara on top of the eyelashes. So if you guys can see, you guys letak je the mascara on top of the eyelashes and see how big the eyelashes be. See how it changes the look of the eyelashes. So if you guys are already wearing eyelashes from the morning, you guys just ambil mascara and then put it on top of it. And then to make the eyes look a little bit more dimensional, so I just put like brown eyeliner, pencil liner, also under eye, but at the outer corner. For nighttime look, so kalau if you guys notice, like in the first look, I don't put any shading, I just put blusher, but in a strategic way to make the face look contoured. So for nighttime look, you guys can actually get away with using contour. So even if the contour is a little bit dark, it is excusable lah, sebab usually in the nighttime we don't have the sunshine, we don't have the daylight punya situation, so we only have lampu kan. So like if you are using shading, it will give your face look a little bit more dimensional. So I use shading on Aisha's cheek and also chin, at the jawline, and then I put more like a purple blusher, so to make the face still look fresh but a little bit dimensional lah, macam tu. And then for the lip, I don't add any more lipstick, I just add this. This one is from Catrice. It is gloss. I think it's a lacquer. It's a gloss with color. So I just letak je on top to blend the previous color yang already we put in the first video. So as you can see, like for nighttime, I like to use like shimmery color for the eyes and also gloss, sebab yalah, since we are having lampu, we also have like the lighting at the night. See how glossy the lips are. So since tadi kita dah letak eyeshadow, I just want to darken je dia punya eyeliner, so I just put on top, sebab bila kita letak eyeshadow tadi, the colour dia dah macam a little bit smudge and dah tak gelap. So I just put eyeliner atas je, just to make it look more defined. Same step, left and right. So I think that is all if you want to change your morning look to nighttime look. Kalau you guys rajin, you guys can actually padam and then buat balik all over. But kalau you guys nak cepat, you can actually use these tips. And this is the nighttime look. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye. Selamat Hari Raya.